Okay, so in the last video we were done till the lipids introduction, basic information and the bonds. In this video we are going to have a look some important terms like we just studied glycerol. Glycerol is the alcohol, or we can call this a 3 carbon alcohol, which is trihydroxyphosphate, also known as trihydroxyphosphate. Then we just made a bond. What was exactly that like? I'm not supposed to make it right now, but this is important to tell you as an introductory. But now let's go to the glyceride. So now what is this? That's the ester of glycerol. Ester of glycerol, or and fatty acid as well. Just because no carbon, sorry, but the lipid is like made up of ester of fatty acid, alcohol, glycerol, dissolved. So fatty acid is very important when we just talk about the lipids. So glyceride is like ester of glycerol and the fatty acids. And here we can just I can make the now sorry let me change color. Then now let's go towards the ester bond. So in the last video I just taught you about the chains which we have. So let me just write it again. CH 2 OH. Okay, so this is how this was like C was in the middle. We have 3 carbon of glycerol, 1, 2 and 3, and H was on this one side, like I'm just writing H was on this one side, OH was on this one side, and on the upper side we were again having H. Okay, so when you just combine we can also write this as the same. Okay, there this is also same. Look at the C H2O. This means H was here and H was here on this one, like upper side. Okay, this one side, but here we are just not making it because carbon is already attached at this side and OH is this one group. So if I just write the same again here, that would C H 2 OH. So what this means, so that's going to attach, let me just write, that's going to attach with another bonds, or there will be HOOC with this a bond COOH or HOOH, and R is like you can add any R. That's not very important which one, like that's an unknown, not unknown, but with the fatty acid chain which is CO. R is like you can add any of the R, any of the substance. So what I just need to explain you here is very important. So now here this one, this H is going to attach with this OH, and H this one and this one H2, like H2 and O. So now this the chemical formula of what, that's water. Like this mean they are going to break down this one, like here we just add H and here OH, so H and H, H2O is there, and the bond, let me just change color, and this one bond, you can look, this one bond is simply known as do you know, well I will just tell you, that's known as ester bond. When we just talk about the ester bond, this is the bond between two fatty acids, two chains, which allow them to combine, which allow them to add substrate, add retain, and so here I've just taken an example, like when we just add one glycerol with one fatty acid, sorry, so that would be known as monoglycerate, and when we just add two fatty acid into it, then that will dimonoglycerate, and if I just write it, when we add three fatty